on. Come on, baby. Just gas. Like, I'm fucking ripping it. I need to get gas. That's what I need to do. Hopefully my GoPro doesn't die. Ooh! What made me have to... This nigga making me... Boy, don't make me have to do it to you, boy. Come on. Oh shit, but I'm not trying to get sent to the gulag, bro. You better chill, my boy. This is gulag season out here, like. I gotta be careful. Yeah, dude, bikes are dangerous as fuck. Fun as shit. Like, obviously you can do pulls and shit. They accelerate quickly, more free, but you gotta be careful with these machines, bro. Like, I'm gonna stop saying that shit, but I am a little still scared of, like, my riding skill, and I think rightfully so. Like, I don't think I'm just bullshitting and being a pussy, but come on, motherfucker, move! Come on, I will fucking rip you, boy. Dude, I seen when I was driving, I was in third gear for like the longest. Shit. Fucking, yeah, man, I have so much to learn in the world of motorcycles. Like, it's just as intense as the car culture is, you know, for people with cars, you know, how they feel about cars. And hopefully I can explore some of this when I start to get better at not only recording, but learning more about the motorcycle culture. Look, I almost stalled. Fuck, I'm gonna fucking ate ass. Fuck. Oh shit. Yeah, you got, I mean, it's, dude, motorcycles, oh god, they're great, bro. Come on. Come on, for fucking
2,000 years later.
$4 regular? No, card.
Regular?
Yep.
Regular?
Yep. Thanks. Alright, boys. Oh, almost died right there.
Bruh.
I'm still a noob, guys. Remember that. I'm still a fucking noob. Let's go get some gas. Looks like it's probably might rain a little bit later. Look at those fucking clouds up there. It might rain, it might not. Who knows? Well, God knows. Come on, you fucking what is that, a Volkswagen?
Have you ever had a
What, you swear you're fast? Like, what, boy? Like, what? What? Don't make me have to start ripping my shit. That's my neighbor on a bike. Dude, I will rip you, boy. I will double-cross you. I will send you to the 5th dimension, boy. I will fucking, yeah, you don't want this fucking work, my boy. You don't want this work. Back off, golf boy. Come on, you. Fucking woo! Highway boy. Let's get a highway pull on, boys. See how this goes. You know, I'm not gonna lie. You know, because I'm still relatively new, and because oh, look at that, not even in fucking gear. Because I'm still relatively new. I'm not gonna lie. The highway still scares me a little bit, but you know, it's all right. Come on, I gotta get gas too, so we're gonna work on that. Come on, nigga, move out of my way, boy. This episode has been a long time coming. Well, not too long. I decided to do this about 2 weeks ago, and obviously I posted the first 2 videos a week apart. So this is coming a couple days after the second video, but this is a couple days in the making. So welcome to the series, and hope you guys enjoy. So here's how I'm envisioning that this is going to work, and you guys give me your feedback and tell me what you guys think. But so I plan on doing some topics of the day for the MOTO-VLOG series, and we just go out and ride and talk about the things and go from there, have a good time, throw some jokes in there, and we'll be good to go. So be sure to like, subscribe, and let's get ready for some more content in the future, boys. See ya!